We've had this cooler for a couple of years and we take it camping, and we just had a party on Friday, which was 6 days ago. We're gonna see how the ice is doing in here. So to undo it, you pull down like this. So it's very sturdy. This holds, clamps hold really well. So open it. Oh look, there's still ice. Look at the ice in there, and let's see what the temperature is. It is 34 degrees Fahrenheit in there. So there's still ice in here. Today is Wednesday. No, today's Thursday, and our party was last Friday. So obviously it's going to work for you to keep things frozen and refrigerated. I mean, that's almost a week. So if you need something for a long haul, I definitely recommend that Igloo cooler.